Okay, I have just pressed the go live and the record button. Hopefully you can hear me because Facebook is not telling me anything right now. And that's okay because today I'm going to be breaking some tech down for you. And sometimes technical issues happen, right? Technology is not perfect. But I'm going to be breaking some stuff down for you on how to leverage Facebook hashtags for your intention, your business, your plans to be seen, and why it's important to do so. So I'm taking a quick break just really fast to make sure you can actually hear me. So don't, I don't know if you've ever done this before. I'm not the only one. Where you've been maybe making a training just like this, and then, you find out an hour later that you were completely on mute. Yeah. Been there, unfortunately, more than once. It happens, right? So, just technology, you can hear me. We're going to go ahead and get started. So, thanks so much for joining me today. I am so excited. My name is Cassandra, if you couldn't figure that out, because I am the Prosperous Heart, and I'm here to show you this thing right here. So let me share my screen. Share screen. There we go. Awesome. All right. So hashtags. What are hashtags? They are basically code that allows you to be able to find posts, images, news, awesome things, sometimes not so great things, through these hashtags or links. So if you're on Facebook, so for example, I have a couple of hashtags that I use. This is one way to brand yourself. Oh, that was surprising. Uh, one way to brand yourself is to use your own hashtags, um, and for people to be able to find your content. So let's say that you are in a business and you have posts that you want to be sharing with people, and you want people to be able to find you. Maybe you tag your page, right? And other ways that you can do this is with actually tagging it, which it doesn't look like it's going to pull up right now. That's fine. Or with these hashtags. So for me, I have several. I have Prosperous Heart Mindset, I have Prosperous Heart Teachings, just stuff like that. And so whenever I have posts that are relative to that, I add those hashtags in. Now, why do I add those hashtags in? Well, let me show you. So I'm going to show you one that I actually really enjoy myself, and I get a lot of feedback on, and it's hashtag the Daily Dyson. I only do this on Facebook because of all the platforms, Facebook is meant to be about relationships and sharing more of yourself. And so I share my boy Dyson, he's laying down in my lap right now. But I've made these posts about him, about when we're hanging out, when we're going on walks, when things are happening, when he inspires me to do things. And so as you can see, by searching for that hashtag, I'm able to see old videos and things like that. And I can see when people comment and laugh and, enjoy what I'm sharing. So by doing that, people are able to find more of the same types of posts, which is why, dun, 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 you come back to branding, which is why you have those branding posts. So for example, like I just said, prosperous heart mindset. I will share my blog posts, which is what this one is, I believe, right here. I will share ideas. I will share pictures of Dyson that correlate with that hashtag. So these hashtags allow you to organize things. They allow people to be able to find breadcrumbs to your other content, right? Which means more people are seeing your stuff. More people are seeing who you are. You have more opportunities to be seen by more people because people will, you know, share your content when they really like it. So that's why you want to use hashtags. Now on Facebook, you don't want to be like Instagram and have like a whole bunch of hashtags on there because one, it's spammy. Two, this actually hurts you in the Facebook algorithm, so you don't want to do that. But just two to three, maybe, and ones that you really are branded to what you're trying to talk about. Like if it's yoga, sure, you can do hashtag yoga, but there's millions, I'm sure, of people using hashtag yoga. So you can use that to tap into that community, as it were, but you also want to do ones that are relative to your brand. So maybe if you were doing, well, let's say they're trying to do marketing, right? Hashtag Prosperous Heart Marketing, hashtag digital marketing. Those are two that I would use. One, because the digital marketing is more generic, more general, more people are going to be seeing that. And then, of course, mine. So when they see my post, they see my hashtag Prosperous Heart training or Prosperous Heart marketing. There we go. And it will see all more of my content. So that's why you should have hashtags. A couple of tips on how to beat the Facebook algorithm with those. If you got value from this, please share some love on this down below. SHARE. Sorry, Molly. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that's Molly Mahoney. She gives great trainings on Facebook marketing as well. But like I said, if you enjoyed this, please sprinkle this amongst your friends and family, and let me know what was your favorite part about this video and what you might like to learn next. So thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful and prosperous rest of your day. My name is Cassandra, aka the Prosperous Heart. Oh, and by the way, I have some really great stuff going on in my group. So if you want to know more, just let me know. Send me a message, leave some love down below. Let me know that you want in, and I will send you the info. So have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.